afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Today, we are witnessing an uptrend in Indian indices, with the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty up by 0.76% and 0.72%, respectively. This surge is largely due to Infosys' decision to cancel a 180 billion rupee share buyback. The optimism stems from potential earnings rebound, progress in India's trade negotiations, and the IT sector's surge by over 4%. The Indian rupee is slightly stronger against the US dollar as traders keep an eye on potential US-India trade deal developments. Meanwhile, the 10-year government bond yield is up by 2 basis points at 6.5 to 0%, reflecting a supply-demand mismatch due to lack of strong buying catalysts. India's IT stocks, represented by CNXIT, have surged 2.7% to reach a one-month high of 36,265.7 points, marking the best single-day gains in 6 weeks for the IT index. The surge is attributed to the impending India-US trade agreement, which could potentially reduce tariffs on Indian imports from 50% to 15-16%. However, it's important to note that year-to-date, Nifty has seen a 16.6% decline compared to the 10.4% rise of the benchmark Nifty 50. This underscores the need for continued vigilance and strategic decision-making in the IT sector's investment landscape. Investor sentiment remains bullish, with mutual fund investors and increasing non-fund domestic flows contributing to the resilience seen in India's leading stock indexes, Nifty 50 and Sensex. These indices have risen approximately 0.8% each, nearing record highs set in September 2024. Overall, the market mood is optimistic, buoyed by progress in trade negotiations and positive earnings prospects. But as always, it's crucial to stay informed and make strategic decisions when investing. So, keep watching ABR Market Watch for the latest updates.